Multiple teams in this match being fought under elimination rules.
Cutting the ring in half is going to be very difficult when you have more than one team to deal with.
Now, things won't become traditional until we're down to just two teams.
Oh, kick right to the gut.
Going right after the neck.
Beautiful neck breaker.
No disqualifications has to benefit a certain type of superstar more than others, doesn't it, Corey?
Get off your high horse, Cole. And no disqualifications match benefits the superstar who's smarter, faster, and better. Using the rules to your advantage doesn't make you the villain here.
Oh, the old taste of pain. Oh, what a kick. Oh, foot just stomping down. Oh, he throws his shoulder up before two.
Not even a 2 count for him.
Suplex.
A humiliating slap.
Well-placed kick.
Measuring. Oof. Face stop. Oof. Kick right to the gut.
He's getting a little battered now.
And without the option to tag out, he has to really take control of this match.
Neck breaker. Wards off that offense from Priest. What's coming next? Goes into the pin. The pin's broken up.
I can't believe it.
Bam!
Down he goes.
Impressive reversal from Michaels. Neck breaker. And finds a counter. Jimmy dodges out of that.
Oof, ruthless striking. Keeping in close quarters, and look at these lefts. Now, this is just a ruthless attack.
Such aggression.
Big punch.
Looking for the rings of Saturn. It's a pin. Oh, it's locked in. The crossface.
I'm going to tap out here.
Trapped and nowhere to go. Trying to muscle out of this. Look at the heart, the determination. Golly, that sounded rough.
Rear chin lock, and now just rapid fire punches.
Oof. Double leg drop. Michinoku driver. Wow.
Into the ring now. Gut kick.
Nothing fancy there.
Sharp punch. Ooh.
Oof, ruthless striking.
Jawbreaker.
Call it Dennis.
And here's a cover.
And Triple H had that style.
And there's the kick out.
Kicking out there really has to make his opponent question his game plan.
Makes him pay with it.
Jey Uso, got it hooked.
Oh, big uppercut. Oh, gonna tap out here, but it ain't gonna matter. Well, the torque on the knee, rolling through now. Couple of kicks will break it. Able to get the advantage here.
Series of reversals.
There's some power behind that punch.
Oh, my God, what an elbow.
Face first with a waistlock takedown.
And this might not have a pleasant ending.
Side headlock applied.
Good measure.
Set up for the...
Oof, ruthless striking.
Finds a counter for Mr. McMahon. Set him up.
He's burying elbows in the midsection.
He's turning the tables.
There's some power behind that punch.
Look out.
You're fired.
Elbow drop. He can do it here. Is it enough here? Forces the shoulder up.
Oh, man, my heart skipped a beat. Channeling his energy to stay in this match.
You gotta wonder if Michaels can fight his way back into this.
Jimmy timed that.
Cover here.
Shane McMahon turns it around.
These competitors have been unloading on each other since the bell. Just thinking for that window of opportunity.
And now might be the time to seize the moment. Now's the time to keep the pressure on.
Right now, I just don't know what it's going to take.
Boom! Cage shots up.
He's looking a little weary now.
A tag match like this is a test of endurance in every aspect of the work.
On the top. What a headbutt. Oh, it's raking the back. Up the counter. Nice step up Enziguri. Right across the face. Elbow drop.
Oh, man, that's a nasty gash on Mr. McMahon.
He turns it around. Lamb slam. Neck breaker. He's going for the pin. This could be it. Into the pay window.
Oh, the
counter. Punch right in the head.
The WWE Universe is pouring more fuel on his fire right now.
Oh, the old taste of pain. Oh, and he stays ahead of Triple H. HBK connects. And the fighting back gets them out of a precarious position.
Great leg strength.
Will it be?
I think so. Stomping.
Ouch. Counter. And now there's an opening.
He refuses to stay down.
Pure instinct.
Flapjack. Way up there. Does he get him here? Simple but effective leg drop.
Suplex. Here it comes. The muscle memory's got to be taken over now. Pure instinct to kick out before 3.
Ooh-wee. Guess that's one way to incite your opponent.
Oh, my God.
Boom, what a punch. Elbow smash. Triple H sent flying to the outside. Knife edge chop echoing through the arena. He leaves the ring and there's no countouts in this one.
Kick lands.
On a stomp.
Making that shoulder a priority.
What a punch. Ciampa skillfully counters.
Shane O'Mac felt that coming.
What a match. What a match. Reversal. Can they go on the attack? Got him where he wants him. Up and down in a hurry.
Enough already.
Oh, man, that's a nasty cut on Shawn Michaels.
Ah, jeez. Gets him with the counter. Saw that one coming. Took advantage. No, let him break his arm. Vicious. Oh, right to the kidneys.
Golly.
He reverses it. Uh-oh. Oh, look at this. Locked in. Submission move here.
Well, this isn't going to win the fall, but it's going to do a lot of damage.
Big overhand.
Camel clutch applied. They're not going to last long here.
Wait. The grip is broken.
His opponent is just overwhelming him here.
At this point, it might be too much for him to recover from, Cole.
Jey Uso can come back from this. After all, he has been down since day one-ish. What does that even mean?
Capitalizes against the game.
Suplex.
The springboard attack fails to land. Backdrop suplex.
What is this superstar going to do now?
Nice job getting to the ropes.
Really had no choice.
Here's the cover for the win.
Ooh, stiff punch.
Triple H, does he have him here?
What a counter.
Cover. Is it enough?
The colossal clutch.
Just wrenching away.
This won't win the match, but it's one way to inflict a great deal of punishment on an opponent.
It's a roundabout strategy, but it might work. Triple H.
Look at this, he let it go.
A quick reversal by Mr. McMahon. Here's the cover.
Look, they can't win this way.
You are not alone in your shock, Cole. We all thought that was it. Lights out. DDT connect. Priest has him on Dream Street. These superstars have toiled away endlessly, and this crowd is on their feet in full appreciation.
An incredible sight to see.
Oh, right to the kidneys.
Golly.
Hits him with the counter.
Running forearm snap.
He may get the 3 count right here.
I think so.
We're going to take a trip.
Sit-down choke slam.
Are you kidding me? The finishing touches could be coming Shane's way here.
Snaps. Shane O'Mac felt that coming
And responds with a counter of their own. Quick exchange of counters there.
Jawbreaker.
Call the dentist. He's begging him to get up so he can put him back down. To the sky.
And Triple H just keeps piling on the punishment here.
I'm sure this is part of Triple H's plan to finally finish this thing.
Ciampa's attack is thwarted.
Has it hooked. Guys, now see blood starting to flow from the face of Triple H.
For the win! Counters that. Here we go. Triple H has been eliminated. And he goes into the ring. He takes control. Are you kidding me? What are they going to do here? Oh, a clover lead. Check out the torque on the back. An extreme amount of pressure in this submission hold.
There is no doubt surrender is imminent.
Oh, my. Sent flying. Whoa, this is from the middle rope. Oh, what a splash. Chop up. A chair. Does he have him here? Hoping to end it here.
Oh, nasty stop to finish it off.
Shane is eliminated. He's lost his chance. Boot. Jay puts a stop to that.
I am shaking my head in disbelief over how he managed to get the shoulder up. Oh, man, inverted backbreaker. Now, pedigree.
We've seen that look before. Mr. McMahon's in position.
Able to reverse that one. Foot to the midsection.
Ooh, again.
Great wherewithal on the counter. Ah, what a neck break. He can end it here.
He's got him.
Jawbreaker.
Call it dead.
That's it. Mr. McMahon just got eliminated. That'll turn your skin red. He's taking this to the floor now. Putting the shoulder in jeopardy there.
Spine buster. Elbow drop right on point.
From behind. Back suplex.
And he has an answer for Priest.
Oh.
Quick thinking pays off. Oh, what a punch.
That's how you stop your opponent.
Climbs back inside.
Brain buster. The sound of this crowd is deafening, and he's asking for more.
He turns it around. Oh! Big boot. Got to find a way to get out of this.
Nicely done.
Lands face first.
Really just laying it in.
Oh, look at this.
So ruthless.
Double underhook applied. Up
And fairy tale ending.
Ciampa putting the finishing touch on this one.
Priest to the top. Catches the leg.
A counter in.
Boom. Good night. Amazing super kick.
Will Jay take advantage?
Defiant counter from HBK. Well-placed kick.
Flying forearm smash.
This could do it.
Measured knee drop.
Kick. And it's reverse pain for that mistake.
How this match is still going on defies all reasoning.
Oh, sweet chin music.
Perhaps the Blackheart's final beat.
Two. Ciampa falls short. He's eliminated. Been eliminated. Kick right on point.
Rear chin lock, and now just rapid fire punches.
Priest holds him off.
Working the midsection there. Tagged with a punch.
Forearm to the face.
Oh, nothing fancy about that.
And he's able to fight Priest off.
Oh, man, inverted backbreaker.
Ow. Ow.
Carefully placed stomp to the arm.
Up for the electric chair, down for the drop. Taking out the knee.
And he'll come back from under the apron. He gets back into the ring. Face crusher.
Drops the hammer.
Right on the lower back.
He's stalking his opponent from the top turnbuckle.
Top rope.
Uso splash.
Will Jay take advantage?
Two. Oh, shoulder up before three. Thought he had
You
him.
gotta be kidding me.
And it may just take going to the well one more time with that maneuver to gain the pinfall.
There's some power behind that punch. Priest dodges out of that.
Back body drop.
Oh, you see the height on that?
Boom, what a kick.
Going right after the neck.
Neck breaker. What a drop kick right to the back. Rear chin lock, and now just rapid fire punches. Oh, perfect kick. Uh-oh. Oh, strong impact. Oh, wiped out with the crossbody. I can hear the band playing already, gentlemen. HB has it hooked.
The face of Jey Uso looks like it's been through a wood chipper.
Looking for the victory.
Catches a punch.
Michaels turns that around. He's got the answer for that one. Oh, what a spine buster. Super kick. Side headlock applied. Oh, and a right hand for good measure. Let's hear that old familiar song. Here it comes. Sweet chin music. And Jey finds himself on the receiving end again.
Yeah, Jey might need to find space to regroup.
Jey Uso has been eliminated.
Uh-oh. Jawbreaker. Call the dentist. Headlock applied and a nice short jab to the bridge of the nose. Missed timing with that springboard. Oh, right in the mat, face first.
That certainly wasn't pretty.
Clothesline. Just punched him right in the mouth. Relentless.
Enough already.
Double underhook applied. Up and down. Glam slam. Free fall. And he's able to fight Priest off. Lariat. Oh, stomping away.
Priest able to avert that.
Able to get the advantage here. Elbow drop. Locked in on the shoulder.
He's looking completely lost as he finds his footing.
We're about to take a trip south of heaven. Here he goes for the win.
And the elimination. The last team standing.
Here is your winner, Damian Priest.
Making their case for one of the best teams around.